Welcome to TikCoin Network. So I made the video about a similar project, but that's Tokcoin, TOK, and this one is TIK, TIK. It says to be the future of finance. Start mining now and earn massive income. Right, so let's hit the get started button here. Sign up. Invitation code applied. Yes, if you use my link, my code will be applied. So you provide your email address here and you click on verify email. And the link will be sent to your provided email address. So you go check your inbox and you click on confirm your email. Your email verified, so you can now go back and continue. So now you will choose a nickname and you enter your date of birth and you click on next. Then you will choose a password and the security pin. So you check this box to agree to terms and the sign up button will come live and you click on it and your account has been created. I'm using a website. A new version is available. Please update. Well, I'm clicking on update now. I'm being redirected to Play Store. Let's install. So about this app, it says TikCoin is more than just digital rewards. It's a community that merges innovation with blockchain technology. Vision is to create a platform that provides users with a simple and transparent way to collect and utilize digital assets. So you want to go through the rest at your convenient time and pace to understand better what you're signing up for. Installation complete, so let's launch it. Okay, so now that we've already created an account, we'll sign in. So you provide the email link to your account and of course the password you chose. So you create a 6-digit pin here and you repeat it here and you click on save pin. Welcome. Let's start mining. Okay. Click button to mining with is it here? Where's the button? Stop. Alright, so I just tapped here and let's click on start. So after watching an ad, then you enter a mining session. I'm seeing a countdown timer from 10 hours and there's my balance. I'm getting 0.7 T per hour. My partner network. So you can create a group, first degree partner, second degree, third. My invitation code is here. So let's see. You can send invitation, you can copy link and share. So here is the bonus and power up, daily power ups and bonus. Alright, so I guess they share bonus codes. You can get them, input the code here and click on redeem. Welcome bonus, let's click on activate. Alright, so I've claimed my welcome bonus. Alright, a lot of things here to activate, but guys, you'll be watching a lot of ads. Power up 7 hours more mining, power up 5 hours, power up 0.2 tick per hour, power up 0.2, and so on and so forth. Let's go back. My balance has increased by 10, as you can rightly see. There are daily tasks. So I guess 7-day streak, login streak, 30-day streak in progress, and so on and so forth. So these are like achievement rewards. The PvP games, queue up for live battles and earn bragging rights in stylish PvP arenas. Okay, I'll let you look that up. It's a TIK social community agreement. I agree. So here, okay, here you can like, comment, make posts, just like any other social media platform that you know. You click on the plus sign here to make your post. Old games, you remember these games, right? They are indeed old games. You can find their white paper here, find their social pages. You can connect, at least follow on X. Hit the follow button. So by following them, you will get to be up to date with the progress of the project. That's the advantage. So they share codes here. Okay, if you like our app, please take a moment to rate it on Play Store. Nah, it's too early. How much of the app do I know to go rating it? So there's a news here. This is where you find updates about the project, having completed and so on. KYC. Okay, there is the wallet on the menu bar. Okay, so wallet here shows my balance and the transaction, which is the bonus that I just received. So these are socials, and of course we have already been here. And then the settings. So under settings you can find your name, your email, your wallet notifications, and so on and so forth. So I think basically this is what the project is about. So you endeavor to follow, and if there's anything worth sharing that I come across, I will not hesitate to share with you all guys. So that'll be all for now guys about TikCoin. If you want to mine, I'll leave you a link in the pinned comment. Endeavor to use my invite code. So thanks and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.